Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I will discuss about the difference between parameter and arguments in Python in a simple way. So let's start the video. So definition, parameter, a variable in a function definition that receive a value. What is argument? The actual value supplied to a function when it is called. Easy trick to remember, parameter is a placeholder which is defined in the function and the arguments is the actual value passed during the function. Okay, I hope you remember the parameter. A parameter is a variables defined in the function definition and the what is argument? Argument is the actual values passed to the function when it is called. Parameter they act as a placeholders and the arguments they provide the real data what and the parameter declared inside the function parenthesis and the arguments passed inside the function called parenthesis. This is the difference between the parameters and the arguments. So example of the definition, the greet is a function name and the def is a defining a function a keyword and the name is a parameter which is defined in the parenthesis. You can see that the parenthesis print hello, the name parameter, and the greet is a Ankita. Ankita is an argument. It is the value, nothing but it is the value of the parameter. So name is a parameter, Ankita is a argument. And the second example is a def add. Add is a function name. Def is a keyword function and the a b is a parameter and the return a plus b return is equal to add 10 20. It is the argument which is the value and the print is the result and the a comma b comma parameter and the 10 and 20 is the argument. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please like the button and subscribe my channel.